Hello, welcome there. Today I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 11, yeah, but we're going to be looking at the iOS 18, the iOS 18.3, right, or 18.4 rather. Yeah, so I just installed the iOS 18.4 yesterday, and I've been giving it a lot of tests, a lot of try, and so far I can say, yeah, I love it. It's cool. And it's something I could recommend you to, go update your iPhone 11 too. So I think I've already answered the question, but let's get into the main video. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so that I can show you the update. So I was able to let me go over there. I was able to update to the iOS 18 beta, but currently I'm on the iOS 18.4, which is the fourth beta. I've loved it, right? And if you see my screen, you could see everything runs very, very smoothly, very, very smoothly. And one thing I noticed is the gallery, the pictures gallery. You see how it is arranged now. Then also the home, what's it called, the top bar, whatever it's called, right? This guy right here. I'm a tech guy, but I don't really put all those names in my head. But you can see over here, it's now 3. Like I said, I'm sharing my screen with you also. It's now 4 rather, where you have the control center, exactly the control center and all that. You see how it is arranged here. And also another thing that is worth noting is the fact that I can now adjust what the home screen look like, which makes a lot of sense to me. And also the camera, let's do a camera test for this because I've not really tested the camera before now. So let's do a camera test. So there's no really difference. There's no notable difference in the camera, even though I heard there's no notable difference in the camera. Let me switch to the 4K. There's no notable difference in the camera. So basically it's just to show you what it looks like on iPhone 11, and if you should go ahead to install it on your iPhone 11, it runs smoothly over here, and yeah, you can go ahead and install it.